beautiful friend. I'm Jess. Welcome back to my channel where I do mostly subscription box, bag, reviews, plus size hauls. And today we have Ipsy. That's right, 2 Ipsys because I'm behind. So even though these are very different size bags, they are both just the regular Ipsy Glam bag. I'm pretty sure these are March and April. So these Ipsy bags are about $13 a month or so, and they usually come with 5 products, mostly sample size, sometimes full size, but we'll check it out. And before we do, I want to do our loyal subscriber, and her name is Sophia. Thank you so much, Sophia. You're amazing. So glad to have you here as part of my channel. And if you haven't already, go ahead, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, hit all the good buttons. You know it helps me out a lot and it keeps me going. Let's go ahead and get into the big one. I'm pretty sure this is the one that I've had the longest. So maybe it's March. I don't know. I know that's terrible, but I don't even remember the one product that I chose. Ipsy does allow you to choose one product before they start getting all the bags together. And I have no clue what's in either of these bags. So it's a surprise to both of us. Okay, so the reason why it's so big is there's this other bag. See, this is the bag that came on inside of the big bag, and it came with this other bag. So I'm a little bit confused. Maybe that's just a little extra gift from Ipsy? I don't know. I'm not sure. Did anybody else get that in their Ipsy bag from maybe March? Like a little extra? I don't know. So, or maybe there's just no bag in here, but I feel like there might be. So let's see. There is a bag in here. Okay, so this is Power Moves. And it comes with a little card, and it does say March 2022. So I was correct. This is the March Power Moves. And it tells me the products that I'm gonna get in here. Just by looking at it, I'm pretty excited. So let's pull out the first product. This is the Small and Mighty. It's by Sophia and Mabel. Extreme Volume Mascara. You guys know how I am about mascara. It's just, like I said in my last video, mascara and eyeliner rules the world. And I believe that 100%. So I absolutely love mascara, and I am not mad that I have another one. So the Sophia and Mabel Small and Mighty Extreme Volume Mascara. This is the full size, of course. And it's $16. $16 for this. So that's awesome. Already paid for the bag just in this first product. Product number 2. This is the Balance Me Pre and Probiotic Radiance Cream. It's a 10 ml cream here. It says, our skin strengthening super light gel nourishes, calms inflammation, protects and restores balance in the skin's microbiome. Okay, awesome. Pretty excited to try that one out. Let's see, the Balance Me Pre and Probiotic Radiance Cream. This is the deluxe sample, of course. This is 10 ml. The full-size product is 15 ml, so only 5 mils more for the full-size product, and it's $30. So that's pretty cool. If that's $30, then that means that this has a pretty good amount of money in here too. So there you go. Okay, product number 2. Of course, I'm trying to go a little fast on these since I have 2 bags to go through. All right, the third product is Sands and Sky, or Sand and Sky. Australian Emu Apple Super Bounce Mask, Glow and Plump. Okay, so it's a mask. Emu Apple. Deluxe sample, of course. Full-size version of this is 100 grams. This is 10 grams, and it's $62 for the 100 grams. So $62 for the big one. This is a tenth of it. But I'm still excited to try it out. Glow and Plump. It's gonna plump me. Product number 3. Product number 4 is this teeny tiny little baby. This is by First Aid Beauty, which I do actually love First Aid Beauty. I've had plenty of their products before, got them all out of this Ipsy Glam bag, except for, of course, I had to run to Ulta and get their primer because I loved that. But this is the Hydrating Eye Cream with hyaluronic acid. So that's the reason why it's so teeny tiny, because eye cream goes a long way and it's expensive. So let's see how much the full cost of this one. It's 3 mLs in here. The deluxe size is 15 mLs, which is $30. That's actually not bad for a good eye cream because you know they're so crazy expensive. But I'm excited to try this out. I love a good eye cream. Product number 4. Product number 5, this is the, I think I always say the brand of this one wrong. Ciate London, maybe? Anyways, it's the Bamboo Bronzer. So that's, I know it's a little hard to see, but you can kind of see that. The color is called Palm Island. That's what she looks like inside the box. And there is our color. You can't really see it, but it's got little stars. Cute. Okay, so let's see how much this pretty lady is. So this one's 2.5 grams. The full size is 8 grams. And it's $28 for the 8 grams. But I like it. Let's see. Okay, you can see it right there. I did not put a ton on, of course, but you can see it. I'm just like so pale right now. Product number 5. That is it for the March bag, and I'm assuming that I just got it a little extra gift. I have no clue why, but I did. So let's move on to the April bag. Okay, you guys, I have to show you this top that Beshafo sent me. They're an Amazon brand, and I think it is super cute, adorable. It fits great. I cannot wait to wear this one out. So check her out. She's got the V-neck, the collar. This is the 3/4 sleeve length, as well as we've got the pleats here, which is very flattering, and it is a ribbed top. I'm not sure if you can really see it in the light. You can kind of see it there, but it is ribbed. So I love the texture. This is what she looks like from the side. This is what she looks like from the back. Super cute, right? This one is the tunic style, of course. They did have it in other colors that you can choose. This is perfect for work. This is perfect for dinner. I absolutely love it. Now, I'm gonna show you here how you can roll up the sleeves and also wear it in a different way. Okay, check her out now. So she's got these little hidden buttons that are up here and the piece that comes from underneath. So now instead of it being a 3/4, I've got a shorter sleeve. How stinking cute is she? So what do you think? You like this one? I'm gonna put the link down below. I got this one in a 2X. Go check it out. So cute little bag, sunflowers, pink. This is the April Keep Growing bag. And it says this bag is made with recycled fabric. It's cool. Okay, let's see what she has. The first product that I'm pulling out here is very interesting looking. This is the eyebrow pencil. Ooh, I like that. Okay, it's from the Koki Professional and it's in blonde. Why do you think they gave me that color? Just kidding. All right, so on one side, we've got our brush, and on the other, we've got our pencil. And let's see. That is the color. I think that'll work out really well for me. So product number 1 in that bag, in the second bag, which is April, and just so you know, they did not put anything on prices or anything on these little card, but it does say, get to know your glam bag picks, valued at $50+. So at least we know that everything's valued at $50+, but we have no clue how much each of them cost. So let's move on to product number 2. This is the Foxy Bay, no fox given. You get it? No fox given. Okay, anyways, Instabay 3-minute hair mask. It's the 12-in-1 blend, sulfate and paraben free. So it's a hair mask. I really do like hair masks, especially after I color my hair. I love to get a good hair mask going there for the first couple weeks at the very least, maybe once a week. So product number 2, I like it. Product number 3, this is the Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. Okay, all right, I like it. Let's see if it's gonna show me here. Ooh, yes, good dark line. Okay, so I like it. Black Magic, that's what she looks like. Product number 3. I wish I could tell you guys what the cost is, but they didn't tell me. Product number 4. I don't know if this is pronounced Soroki or Sorosi. I don't know. Anyways, it's the Low Hyaluronic Tangerine Booster Serum. Breathe comfortably is what it says. 15 grams. This is going to even out skin texture and heighten hyperpigmentation. That was a hard word for me to get out. Okay, so anyways, here is the 4th product in our April bag. 5th product in our April bag. This is the, by Bobbi Brown. Okay, Smoky Eye Mascara. I got 2 mascaras. Okay, awesome. Maybe I chose that. I don't know, I'm not sure. But anyways, doesn't matter. Got another mascara. And this is the Smoky Eye Mascara by Bobbi Brown. So this is in black. Let's see if I can see what the wand looks like. Oh, I like it. I like it. Okay, that's the last product. So here are my 2 months worth, 10 products that I just went through of Ipsy for March and April, and it's already May, so I have one on the way again. I'm a little bit behind, but that's okay. So what'd you think? What was your favorite product? Let me know down in the comments. Do you have an Ipsy bag? Did you get the same thing? Did you get that random extra bag in the March bag? I mean, I don't think I used up my points, but unless I don't remember, it was a while ago, who knows? Anyways, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit the like button, hit the bell, hit the subscribe, hit all those good buttons if you want to see more videos just like this, because you know it helps me out a lot. And don't forget, you're an amazing person. I love you, and I can't wait to have you back on my channel next time.